Okay, Teacher John, digital homework on, this time, the sine rule. Now you may remember from right angle triangle work and a previous digital homework that we introduced the fact that that angle theta in the bottom left hand corner there, the tangent of that theta is the opposite over the adjacent, the opposite side over the adjacent side. The sine of that angle was the opposite over the hypotenuse, and the cosine of theta was or is the adjacent over the hypotenuse. So that was all, and we remembered that by SOHCAHTOA. Now, what if the triangle isn't a right angle triangle? Now I've invented one here. That's angle C at the top there. That's not a right angle, trust me. There are other rules that I'm going to prove to you now that enable us to calculate lengths of sides and angles with limited information. So let's look at this particular non-right angle triangle here. We've got angle A, angle B, we've got angle C at the top, but I'm not going to use that one for this example. What I've done though is I've dropped a perpendicular line down from C to the line AB, so that's a 90-degree angle there. And let's have a look at what all this means. So we've got sine A equals the opposite side H over the hypotenuse B. Sine of angle B is the opposite side H over the hypotenuse A, and H is common to both equations. So H equals, B sine A, and H equals A sine B. That's not a B, that should be an H. Therefore, B sine A equals A sine B, because they both equal H. Now let's divide both sides, just a bit of algebra going on here. Let's divide both sides by AB. B sine A over AB equals A sine B over AB. And you can see why I've done that now, because I'm going to drop out the B and the A from the left and right hand side of the equations. So sine A over A equals sine B over B. And had I used angle C instead of angle B, it would have equaled sine C over C as well. So the sine rule, everybody, excuse me, I nearly sneezed earlier. The sine rule for any triangle, sine of angle A over length of side A equals the sine of angle B over the length of side B, which is equal to the sine of angle C over the length of sine C. That, everybody, is the sine rule for any triangle.